Hey there YouTube, Ben Green here, and sorry it's been a little while since I posted up a video, but there really hasn't been anything here in the stores in a while. But I did find a couple cars way back. Hope got a pretty good deal on them. This was part of what I found in that box of cars that I got. This one set, it's a Hot Wheels Special Edition Series 4 KB Toys exclusive. Don't really know what a KB Toys is. That's the back of it. 1998. I wanted to show y'all this. It was in there. And chrome cars, 63 T-Bird and a 59 Impala. Perfect. You can see it's got a couple of cracks in it, the plastic, but cars are nice looking. Hard to see. It's all metal base, metal body, all chrome, or yeah, all chrome. So a goldish chrome type deal. Very odd. Tell me what y'all think about them. I can take them out. I don't really want to mess anything up. Yeah, I ain't gonna take a chance on breaking that plastic anymore. But let me know what y'all think down in the comments below. Again, sorry for being a long time since posting videos. Just ain't been nothing in the stores at all. So I'm gonna start posting up a few videos of this older stuff that I found and bought. So tell me what y'all think. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Bye bye.